politics is rising high, but the doctors of RG Kar and the other doctors, they are still in the protest of getting justice for their friend and colleague. Mamata Banerjee has requested them to come back to work, but we'll talk to them. You all had a rally today also. Mamata Banerjee has said that she supports your cause, but the point is that she's not taking any step. But you all should come back because poor people are suffering. What do you have to say to that?
Everyone is getting treatment, the emergency is OPD, everything is open. Only the junior doctors are in protest, are on cease work, but the seniors are supporting us. They are providing all sorts of treatment. And when it comes to the question of security and the safety of doctors, again and again, same things have happened. We have protested for long before this has happened also. But none of the times the authority, the administrations have taken any steps. And this time they have to do something about this. This time we have to fight for it, and we will see the end of it.
Now BJP is calling Bandh. A lot of politics is also happening yesterday. What is your take on that?
Any other opposition is doing their work. It's their job to oppose and declare Bandh and all sorts of things. We do not support that. We have our own demands and we are sticking to that. We will continue this protest until and unless our demands are met.
What's your demand now?
Right now, proper investigations. The culprit should be punished appropriately, and safety, security for the doctors.
CISF has come in RG Kar. You're not happy with that?
But that is not a permanent solution. Only one medical college they have provided CISF, but for how long are they going to continue like that, right?
Mamata Banerjee has said, requested you all to come back. She supports your cause, but the point is that poor people are getting, suffering. That's what she's saying.
The main issue is three things. First, how the justice has been, how we occur the justice. The thing is that someone is killed, raped, and nothing has been happened. No one is in the prisoner, right? So we are in the process. We have some strict demand, and RG Kar is just a point in the map. Everywhere there is some threat culture is going on. We are talking about the threat culture.
Threat culture?
Yes, threat culture from the hooligans, from the political parties.
Now also?
It's now also. CISF in the RG Kar, every medical college, we are in the process, and everyone getting the threat. This should not happen. This should be in the fair and enough, and threat culture should be removed from everywhere. Now the question is, the thing has been happened and how it is happened. There are three phases of this thing. First is how it is happened. It is planned, followed by rape, and followed by murder or something like that. The sequence may be altered. And the way they want to stop these things, the women will not go at night. Why? You are not giving the security, and you are threatening that women will not go outside. This is not fair. Your duty is to save us, not to threat us. You are not going to outside. We are making some apps. We are not interested about that. We have no demand that we have a separate room. We will go outside. We want the safety. We want the safe places, and the work is going on. Work is going on. I am 24 hours on duty. I am 24 hours on duty. After completing that, I am in the procession. Everyone has its own duty followed by their procession.
So the senior doctors are supporting them, as they were saying, and the junior doctors will not go back to work until and unless safety is secured to them, because only CISF has come to RG Kar. What about the other hospitals? What about the fact that they are still getting threats? These are all issues which they are raising, and here on one hand, when the BJP Bandh is going on, the mudslinging between Trinamool Congress and BJP is going on. You see the doctors in their own way with singing song and walking from one place to another. They are seeking justice because they are saying that safety has to ensure. Safety has to be given to them. Otherwise, it's not possible for them to work.